Sure, it's not going to change anything for the cost of living crisis that's going on at the moment, with everything going up in price.
Hello. You find me and the sea captain here sitting on the throne, or at least where the toilet should be in the boat in future. Sort of just about here.
Arr, me hearties.
This is the view, currently. I've ordered tanks.
You're not going to believe what he did. He went to order the tanks, and he made so many changes to them that when he paid for them, he didn't realise that they were going to have to make them fresh for him, bespoke. And as a result, they're going to take 4 to 5 weeks to make.
That was a bit...
what was supposed to be delivered in a week? 4 to 5
but we
weeks.
have got a few bits and pieces, and a bit of work was going on this week.
What a loser.
Little tiny things, but...
You're such a loser.
Let's do a quick tour to see what Michael is doing. He's over there. He has welded his gas locker in there. Has he got the wrong helmet?
Wrong helmet?
This... Hi Michael, tell me about the helmet.
Good morning. Well, I started to burn my eye yesterday, halfway through welding. And lo and behold, the helmet failed.
Yeah, so we got a new one.
New shiny one now.
We got a new one. Michael has raised the roof. He has added all of this steel on. He's going to cut all of that away and then weld this roof back on top of this once he's finalized his positioning. He has some nice windows to go in here as well. And he built this. This is another storage solution. You can see how beautifully well fitted it is. And of course it's CAD designed. With raising the roof, it's a little less CAD and a bit more suck it and see. But he's very proud of his achievements, and so we all are. So I'm going to let Michael get on with that, and I'm going to start clearing some space and get a sense of what I'm doing here. Oh, very good.
Matrix.
Look at you, check you.
I don't know if you can hear me, but here we are in the engine room, and this is the Bernard motor, the French generator, and I'm going to now disconnect it and see if we can take it out the new doorway that I have built. And what would be nice would be to see if that generator can fit in here.
I could get rid of that, which would mean I could get rid of this, which is just a water pump. I would have even more space. Open that handle, both sinks. But you can see there's a drip coming out. Okay, this is the plan. I'm going to wedge this piece of wood. There's a hole in it, but it fits just right. I'm going to bash that in, and once it's right in, I'm going to put metal filler, which will seal up in 15 minutes once it's hardened. But first, I've got to get all the water out of there, and then I've got 15 minutes for it to slowly fill up. And hopefully by the time it fills up, the metal filler will have it in place. And if this doesn't work, I can just remove the metal filler and put the pipe back on and reassemble everything. Sausage. There we go. Get all that water out. There it is. Big boy! If it ever does decide to leak water through, you can only pee through that little hole now.
Oh, what a wonderful morning! Oh, what a wonderful day! We're gonna cut some steel up! Everything's going!
Make sure there's no blue paper down there.
What?
Make sure there's no blue paper down there.
Yeah. Oh, it's always nice to...
Cormorant is coming up to us, and it's going to land right beside us, and the fish will be disturbed by the prop. Here they come. Land, now dive.